Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short on XTB Trading. And first of all, we need to find something that we want to trade in. So search for Bitcoin, and we will do this for Bitcoin. Right mouse click on it and open the chart right here. So you will find the chart now here on this part of our screen. We want to create a short, so we will tell them a sell option. And let's say we want to do this for 1 pip. So 1 pip is 36K, and we want to step in with that position. So right now we click here on sell, and right now if you can see the position is opened. We also have a take profit, but we turn that one off and then we can do that again. But right now, if you can see from here, we just created a open position, with a short position, because that means sell. So right now, if you want to close it, we click here on the cross and then we close that position. And this is how you can short on XTB Trading. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.